Hi again, this is Mrs. Sedlacek, just finishing up from the first video about email. Carrying on with the ideas that you can pick from for your email, the second option is if you need to communicate an absence to a teacher, you would write about that in the email. Your third option is if you need to schedule a time to get help from the teacher, you could write about that. In your email, remember you are emailing your language arts teacher. And you will need to have all parts of the email. So you will need to have our name typed in for who you're sending it to, the subject, you'll need to have the greeting, the body, the closing, and your signature. And if you don't remember any of those parts or need to see examples, you can go back in the slideshow. So just to kind of give you an example of what this might look like when you go to open your email, I'm going to show you on my screen. I like to go straight to the web browser for Gmail and go from there. But some people I know like to open Gmail in other ways. So if you have a different preference, you can do that. So as you can see, I already have an email open. So all I did was I hit up here the compose button. Okay, and you'll see that my message is already open. Okay, if I want to send this to Miss Christensen, I'm going to start typing her last name in. You can see it's already popping up. Now, you can also see there are a few different people in the district that have the same last name or a different spelling that's similar. So you really want to make sure you look at that and you want to find the correct first name. So I want Tina Christensen. I'm going to click on that. The subject, I'm going to type in practice email. And then I would go ahead and start typing my greeting. Dear Ms. Christensen, comma, skip a line, type the body of my email. When I'm done with that, I would put my closing. I'm going to use sincerely, comma, skip a line. Okay. I already have an automatic signature on here, which you guys will eventually have from your business and technology class. But for now, you guys on this one, you can just type your first and last name. And if you want, you can put your class period underneath your name. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to hit send. And before that, of course, make sure that you go through it, you proofread it, go through it, fix any mistakes. And that should be it. If you have any questions or need any help with this, you can let us know. And let us know if you need extra support and we can figure out or schedule something with you. Thank you.